Three of the guests here have salty salmon.
What's up?
And we are out here at Kure Beach. We had to walk a long ways to get to this spot right here. As you see all those people right there. But it was worth it. Look at the view. So today we're using salted shrimp for our bait. And then if we get a pinfish or something, we'll use that as cut bait. So we're seeing a bunch of sand fleas on the, oh, I think we found the spot. We're seeing a bunch of sand fleas like washed up on the beach. So we know they're out here. Let's see if he got any. You see any? You got some?
Oh, a bunch of them.
Oh my gosh, you did. Way to go.
Yeah, there's a big old school right here.
We about to use this little guy as bait.
What do we got?
Daniel just got sun on. What is it? Woo.
Fish. It looks like bait.
Oh, yep, that's bait. Way to go. Yes to go. Forgot the knife again.
Yup.
Back fishing. So they keep stealing our bait. So we're trying to figure out what we can do best to not lose it and get these fish. But despite not catching fish, it's really a beautiful day out here. So that spot was not producing. So we just moved to a new spot. I'm getting the sand spike into the sand right here. But it's been a slow day. We've had bites, but not caught none really. Just that one pinfish. Oh, we got sun on, you guys. It did. What is it? Oh, come on.
I see it swimming. I see it swimming.
It's a pinfish. That's what's in the bait.
Yep.
Look how it did my shrimp. It put the shrimp on the line.
Yeah.
But now, yep, he's gonna go back. My little fishy. Simon just caught some right behind me.
Got a little bit of pull.
Oh. It's a nerpin.
Oh, fighter.
Yeah, look at him. He's mad.
He still don't want to give up.
Oh, yep, got sun on. Yes. Ooh. It got some weight to it though. If it's a pin, it got some weight to it. That means it's a heavy pin. Come on. And that's exactly what it is. It's an nerve pin.
That one got some color on it.
It does. That was pretty. Oh yeah, he was barely hooked. Barely. Look at that. You're lucky we ain't got the knife, or else we'd be using you. Let you go with this wave right here. Okay, little one. We got another one on. I got another fish on. If I'm not mistaken, it's not putting up much of a fight. Oh no, it's still up there. It's pinfish. Saw those
open a bait store.
We could open a bait store with just pinfish. I'm telling you. Alright, tossing this pin back. He was not happy at all. Bye-bye, bat. Oh. Daniel found some beast sand fleas. Look at them. They're huge. Alright, so we're about to wrap it up. We're in the process of packing stuff up. He's reeling the rope rod in and then getting the stuff together. We caught a bunch of pinfish today. That's all we caught, but at least we didn't get skunked. And then to end it with a beautiful sunset. We will see y'all next time.